TechVerse is breaking down 20 brand new woodworking tools on Amazon that are redefining how serious makers work in 2026. These aren't random gadgets. They're practical, workshop-tested solutions, and every tool shown in this video has its Amazon link available in the description for easy buying. If you want to save time, avoid mistakes, and upgrade your woodworking setup the smart way, this is one video you absolutely shouldn't skip. Toptes Wood Moisture Meter. Imagine starting a woodworking project with lumber that looks perfect, but weeks later it warps or cracks. That's exactly the problem the Toptes Wood Moisture Meter helps you avoid. It's a pin-type meter designed to quickly measure moisture content in wood before you cut or assemble anything. You simply press the pins into the surface, read the percentage on the clear LCD screen, and know whether the wood is ready to use. For hobbyists and professionals alike, this tool adds confidence to every project by helping you start with properly dried material. Bacher Premium Leather Strop. After sharpening a chisel or plane iron, the real difference comes from proper honing. And that's where the Bacher Premium Leather Strop earns its place in the workshop. Picture finishing a sharpening session and wanting that final razor edge without removing more metal. This leather strop is designed to polish and refine blades using honing compound, helping remove microscopic burrs left behind by stones. It's simple to use, works with a wide range of edge tools, and extends the life of your blades. For anyone who values clean cuts, this strop delivers sharpness you can actually feel. Yanzi 90-degree clamp. Keeping two boards perfectly square while fastening them can be surprisingly frustrating, especially when you're working alone. The Yanzi 90-degree clamp is built to solve that exact problem. It's designed to hold workpieces at a precise right angle, making tasks like frame assembly, cabinet construction, and box building far more controlled. You position the clamp at the corner, tighten it down, and both pieces stay aligned while you drill, glue, or screw. In real workshop use, this clamp reduces setup time and alignment errors, helping you achieve cleaner, more professional-looking joints with less effort. Meticuloso Door Lock Hole Opener Kit. Cutting clean, accurate holes for door locks can be stressful, especially when one small mistake can ruin an entire door. The Meticuloso Door Lock Hole Opener Kit is designed to bring control and precision to that job. It guides your drill to create properly aligned holes for lock sets, helping you avoid uneven cuts or misplacement. In a real installation scenario, this kit keeps everything centered and stable while you work, reducing guesswork and rework. For DIY installers and woodworkers alike, it turns a high-risk task into a confident, repeatable process that delivers clean results every time. Products FP1 FeatherPRO. When you're ripping narrow stock on a table saw, maintaining steady pressure and safe hand distance is critical. The Products FP1 FeatherPRO is designed to apply consistent lateral pressure, keeping your workpiece firmly against the fence throughout the cut. In real shop use, it helps prevent kickback and improves cut accuracy by reducing movement during the pass. The flexible feather design adapts smoothly as the wood feeds through, without slowing you down. For woodworkers who care about both safety and precision, this featherboard becomes a quiet but essential part of everyday cutting operations. Faoyoon 5-inch 8-hole Sanding Disc. Sanding is one of those steps where poor abrasives can waste both time and patience. The Faoyoon 5-inch 8-hole Sanding Disc is made for random orbital sanders that use an 8-hole dust extraction pattern, helping keep the surface and workspace cleaner as you work. In a real finishing scenario, these discs attach securely with hook and loop backing and maintain steady contact without slipping. They're suited for smoothing wood, removing light material, and preparing surfaces for paint or stain. For everyday shop sanding, this disc delivers consistent results without unnecessary interruptions. Nitra Square Ruler. Accurate layout is the foundation of clean woodworking, and that's where the Nitra Square Ruler proves its value. Picture marking cuts for shelves or checking joinery alignment before assembly, this ruler helps you verify straight lines and right angles with confidence. It's designed for measuring, marking, and squaring edges on wood with clarity and control. In real workshop use, it reduces small measurement errors that can add up later in a project. For makers who want consistent, repeatable accuracy from the planning stage onward, this square ruler becomes a dependable daily use tool. Growling Rail Coping Sled. Cutting accurate coping joints on a table saw can feel risky without proper support. The Growling Rail Coping Sled is designed to safely hold workpieces upright while you make controlled coping cuts, especially for cabinet door rails. In a real workshop scenario, the sled stabilizes smaller parts, keeping them square to the blade and your hands safely away from danger. This added control improves joint accuracy and consistency across multiple pieces. For woodworkers focused on cabinet making or frame and panel doors, this sled turns a delicate operation into a far more confident and repeatable process. Milescraft 1409 Track Saw Guide. Breaking down large sheets of plywood with straight, clean cuts is a common challenge, especially without a dedicated track saw. The Milescraft 1409 Track Saw Guide is designed to bring that straight-line accuracy to your existing circular saw. In real workshop use, you set the guide in place, align it with your cut line, and let it control the saw's path from start to finish. This reduces wandering cuts and material waste while improving overall precision. For DIYers and woodworkers who want track saw-style results without buying a new saw, this guide delivers practical, reliable value. Wagner Variable Temp Heat Gun. There are moments in the workshop when controlled heat becomes the safest solution. Whether you're stripping old paint, softening adhesive, or bending plastic edging, the Wagner Variable Temp Heat Gun is built to give you that control. With adjustable temperature settings, it lets you apply just the right amount of heat for the task at hand, instead of guessing and risking damage. In real-world use, this precision makes jobs cleaner and more predictable. For woodworkers who want versatility without sacrificing safety, this heat gun becomes a reliable problem solver you'll reach for often. Lamptop 26-pack Woodworking Tools. Setting up a small workshop or upgrading your basic hand tools can be expensive if you buy everything one by one. The Lamptop 26-pack Woodworking Tools set is designed to cover many everyday needs in a single purchase. In real use, it's ideal for beginners or DIYers who want reliable tools for measuring, marking, and basic woodworking tasks without overcomplicating things. Having these tools organized and ready saves time during project setup and reduces interruptions. For anyone building a functional workshop on a practical budget, this kit offers convenience and solid everyday usability. Kata Painter's Pyramid Stands. Finishing a project is where patience really gets tested, especially when you're waiting for one side to dry before flipping the piece over. Kata Painter's Pyramid Stands are designed to solve that problem by lifting your workpiece slightly off the surface. In real workshop use, you place the pyramids under cabinets, doors, or panels so you can paint, stain, or varnish both sides with minimal contact marks. This speeds up drying time and improves finish quality. For woodworkers who care about clean, professional-looking finishes, these stands quietly make the final stage far smoother. Swpeet 10-inch Adjustable SpokeShave. Shaping curved edges by hand is one of those skills where control matters more than speed. The Swpeet 10-inch Adjustable SpokeShave is designed for smoothing and refining curved or rounded wooden surfaces, such as chair legs, handles, or custom trims. In real use, the adjustable blade depth lets you fine-tune how aggressively it cuts, so you can remove material gradually without tearing the grain. This level of control makes shaping feel deliberate instead of risky. For woodworkers who enjoy precise hand tool work, this SpokeShave brings accuracy, feel, and craftsmanship together in one dependable tool. Maxpower Hex Key Allen Wrench Set. Loose hardware can ruin an otherwise perfect build, especially when you're constantly switching between different fastener sizes. The Maxpower Hex Key Allen Wrench Set is designed to keep that frustration out of your workflow. In real workshop use, having a complete range of hex keys means you can quickly adjust jigs, tighten machine parts, or assemble furniture without hunting for the right size. The wrenches are shaped for a solid grip, giving you better control and torque. For woodworkers who value efficiency and organization, this set keeps small adjustments fast, precise, and stress-free. Mr. Pen bar clamps for woodworking. Gluing panels or assembling frames is one of those moments where steady pressure makes all the difference. Mr. Pen bar clamps for woodworking are designed to apply even clamping force across your workpiece, helping joints stay tight while the glue cures. In a real shop scenario, these clamps let you align boards accurately without constant readjustment. The bar design provides reach and stability for larger projects like tabletops or cabinets. For woodworkers who want reliable hold and consistent results during assembly, these bar clamps offer practical strength you can trust every time. Sandor Automatic Center Punch. Accurate drilling starts with a precise mark, and that's exactly where the Sandor Automatic Center Punch proves its worth. Instead of using a hammer, this tool creates a clean indentation with a simple press, keeping your drill bit from wandering when you start a hole. In real woodworking situations, this is especially helpful for hardware installation or repeated drilling tasks where consistency matters. It saves time, improves accuracy, and reduces small mistakes that can throw off alignment. For woodworkers who value clean layout and controlled drilling, this center punch delivers reliability with every press. Joapril 12-pack Butyl sealant tape. Sealing gaps and preventing moisture intrusion is critical, especially in projects exposed to temperature changes or humidity. The Joapril 12-pack Butyl sealant tape is designed to create an airtight, waterproof seal without complicated application steps. In real-world use, you simply cut the tape to size, press it into place, and it conforms to surfaces for a secure bond. Woodworkers often rely on it for sealing joints, edges, or fixtures where traditional sealants can get messy. For anyone who wants fast, clean, and dependable sealing, this tape delivers practical protection that holds up over time. Milwaukee's Cordless Compact Router. Routing edges or cutting precise grooves often means dealing with cords that limit movement and slow you down. Milwaukee's Cordless Compact Router is built to remove that restriction while still delivering controlled, consistent performance. In a real woodworking scenario, this router lets you move freely around a workpiece, making edge profiling, trimming, and light joinery more comfortable and predictable. Its compact design improves balance and visibility, which matters when accuracy is critical. For woodworkers who want mobility without sacrificing control, this cordless router brings professional-level convenience into everyday shop work. JessEm Tool Setting Gauge. Getting precise bit and blade height settings can be the difference between a perfect cut and wasted material. The JessEm Tool Setting Gauge is designed to bring repeatable accuracy to table saws and router tables. In real shop use, you place the gauge next to the cutter and dial in exact heights without guessing or relying on rough measurements. This saves time during setup and ensures consistency when repeating cuts across multiple pieces. For woodworkers who value precision and efficiency, this gauge quietly removes uncertainty from machine setup and helps every cut come out exactly as planned. Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 320. Pocket-hole joinery is one of the fastest ways to build strong frames and furniture, and the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 320 is designed to make that process simple and repeatable. In real workshop use, you clamp the jig onto the workpiece, drill guided holes, and create solid joints without complex setups. Its compact design makes it easy to use on small projects or quick repairs, especially when space is limited. For woodworkers who want clean, strong joints without wasting time, this jig delivers reliable results that fit perfectly into everyday builds. If this breakdown helped you discover tools that genuinely improve your workflow, make sure to like the video and share which tools stood out the most in the comments. Subscribe to TechVerse for more honest, practical tool reviews that help you build smarter, not harder, because upgrading your workshop should always feel worth it.